Today we're going to count syllables.
And how do you count syllables?
With clapping.
Uh-huh.
And like this. Chin. Yeah.
Okay. First, you teach them how do you count the syllables holding the chin.
First, you hold your chin.
And then
you
say the word.
Huh?
You say the word.
You say the word. Triangle. 2.
Triangle.
Oh, 3.
Yeah.
And sorry, 3. And
So you count how many what?
Zach. 2. Under there by clapping.
Okay, you teach them by clapping.
First you clap. No, I mean that.
Say the word.
Say the word and then clap and then if you hear sounds, you know what?
You clap every syllable, right?
Yeah.
Like tra, How many is that?
3.
Okay, now I'm gonna give you pictures and you're gonna put there how many syllables. Okay, first Zeb. What is this? Just
Sticky tape.
just say tape.
Tape.
How many?
What?
You hold your chin?
I want to clap.
Oh, you want to clap. Okay.
I'll put it here first.
Tape.
Tape. Let me. What?
Okay. You stand over here. What is that?
Toothbrush.
Oh. How do you count the syllable?
But there. Also, Lloyd's going to do it too. He's going to hold it. Push.
How many?
2.
Very good.
It's Lloyd's turn. What's this? A turtle. Okay.
Oh, how do you count? How many?
Turtle.
How many?
2. Hey, you with me. Hi, turtle.
How about this? What are these?
No, I'm supposed to be leather. Me.
You just did the turtle.
Feather. No.
Oh, how many?
Feather. 2.
Yeah.
2 again.
2 again. What is this?
Yeah, what's this one? Maracas.
Okay, count.
Hello, maracas. Maracas. Tree.
How
Lloyd's
about-
turn.
What is that?
You know that? You don't know. Tennis racket. Oh,
Just say racket.
racket.
How many?
1.
Is that?
Gloves.
How many? Hey, your racket is how many?
Gloves. 1.
Say, you count? Again? Say racket.
Racket of 2.
Zeb. How many is balloon?
2.
Oh.
Again.
Zac. What's that?
Banana.
Okay, count.
Banana. 3.
Yeah.
3. The one has 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open.
Here, Zac. What's this?
Ladybug.
Oh, how many?
Ladybug. 3.
Very good.
Ambulance. Ambulance. 2.
Huh? Okay. What's that? Show them. What is that?
Astronaut.
Count.
Astronaut. 3.
Very good. Okay. I think we already taught them how to count the syllables. So, what do you say? What do you say, guys? Stand over there.
Bye-bye. Don't forget to click the subscribe button.
And
Subscribe.